I was in track 4, the session for AI-powered genomics for precision medicine. And before we started this session, I already have like some baseline, very baseline knowledge of genomics and bioinformatics. So I also wanted to like know how AI like applies to bioinformatics, and I didn't really have like a lot of knowledge in that aspect. So it was great to like attend the track and then see what it's about. And then during the session, we're able to use one of the AI-powered tools for precision medicine, Galaxy, and basically just getting an idea of like how the website is looking at it, and then putting an SRE, that's like a tool to analyze like the sequences in it. And it was an interesting session. It's definitely something like, it was like a taster basically, because for like AI in bioinformatics, you have to like still go and then learn a lot about it in order to be an expert or at least gain more knowledge and be able to apply it. So the track was a good taster for it, and I'm looking forward to exploring more in that field.
Ultimately, genomics is important in outbreak response. It's also just as important as epidemiology. So when you combine both, you're going to have better outcomes and a better response system. And additionally, I think I also learned that everything should be data-driven. That was from my team. So we ultimately agreed that all our response should be data-driven, and that's where we come in as future leaders in genomics.
My expectations before the workshop were basically just to know like the basic pipeline, the basic pathway that I would use to discover these cancer biomarkers. And I think the workshop was really insightful. It taught me a lot of things that I did not know and some things that I knew. But basically it has helped me understand like the skills I would need, like how I can do some self-directed learning.
Thank you for supporting this vision, and thank you for everybody that has put in the hard work. I like to say that I've had this is the best team I've worked with since in my life. I call them the Avengers, the CoGSAYR Africa Avengers. So from the LOC to the volunteers, like I've just been relaxing because they are amazing. I can see the passion, I can see the commitment and the dedication. So thank you so much. And to our attendees, we can't be here if you're not here. If people did not sign up, we will not be here. So thank you so much for coming out. Different places, different countries actually, because we have people from outside Nigeria. Thank you for coming out from different states in Nigeria to come and to honor our invitation. Thank you so much, and see you at the next CoGSAYR Africa Summit. Bye!
Thank you for having us!